Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are talking about a bike that's more than just a machine, it's a legend. Yes, we're reviewing the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa, a name that's been thrilling speed lovers for over 2 decades. Let's dive into everything that makes this superbike a beast on the road. Engine and performance. The Hayabusa is powered by a 1,340 cubic centimeters, 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers an impressive 190 PS of power and around 150 Nm of torque. This isn't just about speed, it's about buttery smooth power delivery across all gears. Thanks to its ride-by-wire throttle, multiple ride modes, and advanced electronics, the Hayabusa offers a thrilling yet controlled experience for both aggressive riders and daily cruisers. Riding comfort and ergonomics. Despite being a performance monster, the Hayabusa offers a surprisingly comfortable ride. The rider triangle is slightly aggressive but not backbreaking, making it suitable for long rides too. The seat cushioning, wide tank, and perfectly placed handlebars give you confidence at high speeds and comfort in traffic. Design and road presence. One look is all it takes. The 2025 Hayabusa carries its signature aerodynamic design with modern updates. The large fairings, LED headlamps, and sculpted body make it look fast even while standing still, and yes, the dual exhausts and bulky stance ensure that wherever you go, heads will turn. Features and tech. The bike comes with Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, which includes features like launch control, cruise control, quick shifter up and down, traction control with multiple levels, cornering ABS. All of this is controlled through a vibrant TFT display combined with analog dials, a perfect mix of classic and modern. Who should ride it? If you're a seasoned rider looking for a high-performance machine with street comfort and stunning road presence, the Hayabusa is for you. It suits young enthusiasts, middle-aged sport touring fans, and collectors alike. Daily usability. Surprisingly, the Hayabusa can handle city commutes quite well. It offers decent fuel efficiency for its class, around 11 to 15 km/h, and doesn't overheat easily in traffic. But make no mistake, this beast truly belongs on open roads and highways. Like, share, subscribe to Turbo Rider if you love this review and want more real bike content from city rides to top speed tests. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video with another thrilling machine.